Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Clubhouse profile. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. On the new update of the Clubhouse app, you can easily share your profile with your friends so that your friends can easily find you on Clubhouse and follows you. To share your profile, first you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on top right corner. Then tap on the share icon at the top of the screen. There are many ways you can share your profile. You can copy the link and give it to your friends. And you can also share it your profile via AirDrop, Twitter, Facebook, Gmail, Messenger, and more. And that's how you can share your Clubhouse profile with your friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.